Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Subaru Forester. First, understand that lifting your vehicle enhances its off-road capability and allows for larger tires. We'll cover the two main types of lift kits, strut spacers and full strut replacements. Gathering your tools, like a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a good socket set, is your crucial first step. Safety is paramount when working under any vehicle. After securely lifting your Forester with a jack, always place jack stands under the frame for stable support. Next, remove all four wheels. You'll then need to carefully disconnect components like the sway bar links and any brake line brackets to allow for suspension travel. Now it's time for the main event, installing your lift kit. Whether you're using strut spacers or full replacement struts, carefully position them into place. Once the new components are installed, meticulously reattach all the suspension parts you disconnected earlier. Remember to tighten every bolt to the manufacturer's specified torque settings for safety and performance. With the lift kit installed, reinstall your wheels and carefully lower your Subaru Forester back to the ground. It's absolutely critical to get a professional wheel alignment done as soon as possible to ensure proper handling and tire wear. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as clean as your newly lifted ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.